Hi, I'm Mr. Baker. I work with students with the last name of A through CH.
Hi, Campo students. I'm Monique Dewar. I'm one of your counselors. I have the Alpha Split CI through GL.
Hello, my name is Kathy Diggs. I'm really excited to be a part of our amazing counseling team here at Campo Verde High School. I'll be working with students whose last names begin with G-O through K. Have a great year, everybody.
Hi, I'm Mrs. McManus, and I have students with the last names L through O.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Lang, and I'm a counselor for students with the last name of P through SI. I'm excited to work with all of you this year.
Hi everyone, and welcome back. My name is Mrs. Carpenter, and I work with students with the last names SJ through Z.
To schedule an appointment with your counselor, please go to the Campo Verde website. Then you're going to click on the counseling link here. From there, you're going to click on Schedule an Appointment. You're going to complete the Google form and submit that, and an appointment slip for a day and time to meet with your counselor will be sent to you.
The counseling office is in the administration building. The door to our area is between the CFS classroom and the front desk. When you arrive, check in using our iPad at the new kiosk. You will use it to complete the new digital check-in. We look forward to the opportunity to assist you.